Assalamu alaikum teacher. My name is Abdulaziz Abdullah Mohammed. Today I want to make in control system number 3. Inshallah I will do my best. In the assignment there are 4 questions. The question 1, they obtain the system time response YT of the unit stable input. If the transfer function of system is given as follows: GS 4s plus 50 over s squared plus 30s plus 200. I will do the first one and then I will do step by step second and 3 and 4. Inshallah. Okay. I will do the first question. Uh, step unit input together. Time. Okay. The first question I will do with the first question. Okay. The question one is 4s plus 50. Okay. Yes. 4s plus 50 over 4s plus 50 over s squared plus 30 plus 30 is plus 200. S squared plus 30 is plus 200. Okay. First of all, do this. I go for this. Okay. Okay. Then I do just equal to 4 s plus 50 over s squared plus 30 s plus okay. That is plus 200. Okay. And this is equal to 1 over s. Okay. And then I'll do the calculation response. Ys is equal to rs gs ys is equal to 1 of s 4s plus 50 over s squared plus 30 is plus 200. 4s 4s plus 50 over s squared plus 30 is plus 200 is equal to a over g plus b over s plus 10 plus c over s plus 20. Okay. And then s plus 50 is equal to s plus 10 s plus 20. Okay. bs c plus s squared plus 10s, combining both sides constant and coefficient terms. Okay. 200 a is equal to 200, b plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to c is equal to 226. That is 30a plus 20b plus 10c is equal to 4. 30 plus 20 p plus 10 c equal to 4 20 plus 10 minus this minus this will be minus 10 b is equal to 26 minus 26. Okay, 10 b is equal to minus 26, b is equal to minus 2.6. Okay, y is equal to 1 over zeta minus 2.6 over equals 10 plus 2.6 over s plus 2. The last answer will be yt equal to 1 minus 2.6 e minus 18 plus 2.6 e minus 2 at vt. This will be response of system. The last answer will be yt is equal to 1 minus 2.6 e minus I at plus 2.6 e to at vt. Okay, the question one I did for this, I did my best. I did my best. Teacher, I'm using for mouse. I'm also a screen touch because I don't have the pen of laptop. That's why I'm using. Okay, I'll do the second question. The second question is this: circle different differential system to mind differential difference. Add the differential equation for the circular figure. Okay, I will do for question 2. Okay, I will do for question 2. Question 1, this is the question 1 yt is equal to minus 2.6. Okay, I will do for question 2. Question 2 will be this differential equation. I will get for I1 and I2 to this differential equation of this circuit figure. Okay, I try my best here. Okay, using KPL, KPL in loop 1, loop by 1. Okay, minus ut plus R1 L1 plus L1 dL1 over dt plus 1 over C1 CL1 plus L2 dt plus R2 L1 minus L2 is equal to 0. Okay, R1 L1 plus L2 dt plus 1 over C1 L1 minus L2 dt plus R2 I1 minus I2 is equal to ut. Okay, differentiate the equation with respect of ut. Differentiating this equation with respect of t. Okay, R1 dL1 over dt plus L1 d2 L1 over L1 dt square plus 1 over C1. Okay, L2 minus L2 minus 2 d1 over dt minus d1 over dt is equal to dvt over dt. Using KVL in L2, okay, I will get in KVL L2. I get the KVL L1 for this R1 dL1 of dt plus R1 d2 L1 over dCct F2 minus L2 plus R2 LD1 of dt over dvt over dt. Okay, I will get for L2 using KVL L2. Okay, I will get for that L2 di2 over dt plus R2 I1 minus I1 plus 1 over C1 L2 minus L1 dt plus 1 over CT C2 I2 dt is equal to 0. Differentiate both sides. Okay, the differential of both sides L2 d square and L2 over dt square plus R2 bracket di2 over dt minus di1 over dt. Okay, plus 1 over c1, 1 over c1 over 2 minus n1 over 1 over c1 and 2 over I2 is equal to 0. And then the last answer will be L2 d2 over dt square plus R2 di1 square over dt minus R2 di1 over dt minus I1 over C1 plus 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2 I2 is equal to 0. The equation 1 and 2, the both are differential equation. Okay, adding the second equation for L1 and L2. L2 is this equation. I get this equation for minus R2 over dL1 over D2 for I1 over C1 over 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2 I2 is 0. Adding my best for this equation 2, I'll look for the equation 3. Okay, the equation 3 will the block diagram. Okay, that I did my homework too. Okay, simplify the block diagram step by step with block diagram reduction with method option the y-axis shown in the figure. I will do this block diagram, okay, for simple like, okay, I will look for that question. Okay, that question will be like this. Okay, I'll look for like this. Okay, and do this will be G1, this will be G2, this will be G3, and this will be okay. Okay, here, here, here will be H2. The H2 will be G2 and G1 over here will be H1 and going there. Okay, and this will be H3 3 will go to for G2 and G3. Okay, I'll look for this question to simplify the block diagram. Okay, first of all, I will look for there. There will be G2 and G3 will be the cascade. Okay, these two will be cascade. Okay, these two will be cascade. Okay, these two will be cascade equation. Will be cascade equation. Okay, and there here this will be barrel connection feedback. Okay, I will look for the symbol. Okay, I will look for G2 and G3 plus H2. Okay, here I will look for G2, G3 plus H2. Okay, okay, I will simplify that. This will be cascade. Okay, and then I will look for here. Here will be G1. Here will be here will be and there. Okay, here I have a H1. I have a H1. H1 will be going to there, and also I do this line for there for cascade equation. Okay, I, I'm doing like this. I'm doing like this. Like this will be G2 and H3. Will be G2 and H3 will go there. Okay, this equation will be a negative feedback. Here will be a negative. Will be a negative feedback. No, it will be a positive feedback because there will be a cascade, and this two G1 and H1 over G2 H3 will be a positive feedback. Okay, positive feedback. Okay, okay, will be positive feedback. Okay, and then it will be like this, like this. G1 over 1 minus G1 H1, and then here will be G2 G3 H2, and then here Y here X. Okay, here I also have I also have here I also have something. I know it. G2 H3. I don't forget it that unit feedback for this positive feedback. Okay, this will be G1 over 1 minute G1 H1, and G2 H2 will be a negative feedback. A negative feedback will be a negative feedback. Okay, I'm looking for for the above negative feedback for G1 over 1 minus G1 H1 over 1 plus G2 H3 G1 over 1 minus G1 H1 is equal to G1 over 1 minus G1 H1 plus G1 G2 H3. Okay, I did for the question 3 for this G1 and minus G1 over 1 minus G1 H1 H over 1 plus G2 H3 G1 minus 1 over G1 minus G1 H1 over G1 minus 1 over H1. Okay, G1 plus G1 G2 H3. I did for this question 3 for my best for this negative feedback. I'm also I did more positive feedback. This will be a cascade equation. I did my best, and then I will do the fourth question and also the last equation for this homework 3. Okay, Fourth question would be find the state equation of the system whose mathematical expression is given below and write the state space factor matrix form. Okay, I'll do for this differential equation for mathematical expression. Okay, I'll do my best here, inshallah. Okay, for question 4, we define the state variable. Okay, for question 4, okay, x1 t is equal to yt x2 is equal to dy t over dt 3 is equal to x3 t is equal to d2 t over dt square 1 dx1 t is equal to x2 t 2 would be dx2 t over dt is equal to x3 t. Number 3, dx3 over dt t is equal to 1 over 2 rt minus 3x3 t minus 5x square plus t minus 2x is 1t. Okay, I will look for matrix form. Matrix form. The matrix form will be xt is equal to x1 is equal to t, x2 is equal to t, x3 is equal to, and also x3 is equal to t. The state equation can below will be written of xt is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 minus 2 over 2 minus 5 over 2 minus 3 over 2 xt is plus 0, 0, 1, 2 rt. The output equation for this question, mathematical equation, it will be yt is equal to 100xt. I did my best. This question for yt is equal to 100xt. I did my best for this homework for the 4th question. I did my best, teacher. I will wait a good marks, inshallah. Have a nice day, teacher.